Mastering Passive Voice, a step-by-step guide to transform your English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Passive voice is an important part of English grammar that can enhance the way you express your thoughts and ideas. Today, we'll learn how to convert active sentences into passive sentences. Grab your notepad and let's dive right in. Before we start practicing, let's take a moment to understand what passive voice really is. Passive voice is a way of constructing sentences where the subject is acted upon by the verb. In other words, the focus is on the action and the receiver of the action, rather than the doer. For example, consider the sentence, "The cat chased the mouse." Active voice. In passive voice, this becomes, "The mouse was chased by the cat." Passive voice. In the passive voice sentence, the focus is shifted to the mouse and the action it's receiving. Now let's go through the steps to convert active voice to passive voice. 1. Identify the subject, verb, and object in the sentence. Remember that the subject performs the action, the verb is the action, and the object receives the action. 2. Rearrange the sentence so that the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. 3. Change the verb to be in the form of be plus past participle. The form of be should match the tense of the active sentence. 4. Include the agent, the doer, only if necessary. It's usually introduced with the preposition by. Let's see some examples. Active. John reads a book. Passive. A book is read by John. Active. They will finish the project. Passive. The project will be finished by them. Now, it's time for you to practice. Try converting the following sentences from active to passive. 1. She writes an email. 2. The dog chased the car. 3. We will prepare the dinner. Comment down your answers and we'll review them together. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these conversions to become fluent in using passive voice. I hope this video has been helpful in mastering the passive voice in English. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.